Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to dry a hand towel fast without a dryer. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you have a hand towel like this and you want to dry it fast and you don't have access to a dryer or you can't use a dryer in that moment, this is the video for you. So as you can see right here, this is a hand towel, and let's say this got wet and I wanted to dry it fast without using a dryer. These are the steps that I would take, okay? Now, obviously, a dryer would be the most ideal situation. A dryer would be ideal because it would dry it the fastest and the best and the most uniform. But if you can't use a dryer in that moment, you can still get the towel dry. So basically, what I would do if this was wet and I didn't have access to a dryer in that moment, I would take it and I would start off by wringing it out. So to wring it out, you're going to just twist it over and over again. So you can see I'm holding one side and I'm just twisting the other side over and over and over again, okay? And essentially, you want to take it and you just want to sort of twist it. And what that's going to do is that's going to wring out any water in there. So just twist it and any excess water will start dripping out. Once you've twisted it and you've sort of wrung it out and you've squeezed it and there's no more water dripping out of it, well then basically you've got the majority of the water out that sort of can be dripped out, okay? Now, the next step is going to involve drying it using air in one way or another, okay? So essentially, the first thing that you want to try if you have access to this is to use like a blow dryer, like a hair blow dryer, right? So you can use a hair dryer and you're just going to use it and you're going to go ahead and you're going to just blow dry the towel, and that'll get it dry. Especially if there's only one area of it that's wet, you're gonna just tackle that area. If it's the whole thing, then tackle the whole thing. But you're just gonna use a blow dryer or a hair dryer, a hair blow dryer, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm talking about, to blow dry the towel. Okay, that's sort of the best way to get air on there and to allow it to dry in the fastest way possible. If you don't have access to a blow dryer or a hair dryer, then the next thing that you're gonna try is if you can bring it outside, you're gonna bring it outside and you're gonna hang it up outside to let air naturally, go through it, and the wind will, start to dry it. So hang it outside, and by hanging it outside somewhere, the wind will blow it and you'll get it to dry pretty fast as well. And if you can't do that and you can't bring it outside, then they'll sort of, I want to say worst case scenario, but it'll still work, is you want to hang it somewhere inside. By hanging it somewhere inside, air will pass through it and it will dry, but there's not going to really be any wind or air movement, so it will take longer to dry. But it will dry. You just got to hang it somewhere inside. And, if you can, you maybe want to hang it somewhere inside and leave it hanging for like an hour in one way, and then you can go there and switch it around to the other way, like you can move it or flip it around to the other side and hang it for another hour and sort of go back and forth and keep moving it. This way it dries in the most ideal way, which will, and most uniform way, which will allow it to dry the fastest. What you don't want to do, because this will take the longest time to dry and it sometimes won't even dry, okay, what you don't want to do is leave it sitting somewhere. If you leave it sitting on the floor or on a countertop or in the sink or anywhere, then some of it will not be exposed. Let's say I just left it sitting like this, right? Some of it is not going to be exposed to air and it's just going to stay wet for a very, very long time. Plus, you never want to let something wet sit on anything because it can cause damage to like whatever you're leaving it on, right? Because you're letting moisture sit on it. You're letting moisture sit on that piece of furniture or whatever. So you don't want to do that anyways, because that can cause damage to your furniture or your floor or whatever. Okay. Now, obviously, you might say, oh, it's just tile. Okay. And that's fine. But you just don't want to let anything moist or wet sit on anything, even tile, even if it's a stone countertop, even if it's tile, even if it's a sink. You want to try and avoid letting wet things sit on those things and letting wet things stay on those things. So, you don't want to let that towel sit because it won't dry the towel and it's not good for whatever you're letting it rest on. But that's it. If you want to dry a hand towel and you don't have access to a dryer, those are the things that you can do and the ways that you can sort of dry it relatively quickly. And that's basically it. Honestly, really, really easy to do. I've sort of told you the sequence. You should try this first. If not, then try this. If not, then you can try this, and so on and so forth. Yeah, I've taken you from basically the most ideal scenario to the least ideal scenario, but they'll, they should work. Everything that I said will work. Everything that I said will work should actually work, and the things that I said to avoid, you should also avoid those things. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.